This is a description of attaching a section to a service, a new section, and then editing an existing section that is attached to a service. So from the main services single view page, there is the sections, attached sections right here. Right now, Southern Tier 06 is attached to this service, and I can either delete this section, so I can detach this service from this section, or I can edit the content that is section specific based on this service. So if I wanted to edit this attached section, I would click here on the edit screen, and then I would see the core services card over here, but then I would also see this section specific data. So this is structured in a way so that there can be information about a service that is related only to a section and not to the whole service itself. The main thing here, of course, is the type. This is a print service directory specific item, kind of the main thing being the difference between in and out of town service, but you can choose the type here. You can also choose the map panel, so the attached section and then the available map panels that are attached to that section will be available in this list. So this is obviously section specific. And then the route type name will, this will be a drop down that will show all route type names associated with a section, so you can attach a service to that specific route type name. By default this is main, there's always a main route, but any other alternates, options, loops, etc. will be listed here as well. So for example, the mobile bay alternate could be chosen because this is a route type name attached to Southern Tier Section 6. Directions, which are route specific, can be printed here. If there are any route specific notes, which we really try not to use, we try to use the host agnostic notes, but they can be printed here. If the service is off route, this box can be checked and then it will show up as off route. And then there are a few boxes here that are for adventure cycling use only. So route specific internal notes, which is also very infrequently used but can be put here. And then post import work are things that happen after the service directory is output. So these are kind of fringe items that need to be associated with this service. Finally, on the section table is the offering priority. So this is the priority for a service specifically for an in-town grouping to order the priority of this service as it relates to the attached offerings. When you're done editing this table, you can just click Update, or you can click back to not save your changes.